Hey everybody, just want to make a quick video on this kit that I've been working on. It's the Enterprise 1701 Refit. This is the 1 in, I believe, 650 scale, so it means it'll be about 18 inches when it's done. This is the newer release. This comes with little tiny shuttlecraft as well, and I've gone ahead and primed all the pieces black, put a bunch of sections together. This kit, and I believe a bunch of the other round 2 Star Trek kits, are similar in that they have you do sections at a time, put them together, prime, paint, and decal, and then you move on to a second subassembly, and you do all the subassemblies separate, including decaling, and then you just put the big pieces together. So that's pretty interesting. I guess it's easier to handle decaling instead of waiting for the whole ship to be put together and then having to worry about, you know, positioning it. How the heck do I hold it, position it to apply decals? So in that respect, it makes kind of sense. So I did all the sections, like I said, in primed them black. There are a few kind of odd things about this kit, if you want to say odd. There are actually holes in the hull that I did not put, and they're there. I assume that's to make lighting easy if you wanted to light this up. There's several areas where that's true. Also, if I could zoom in on that here, you see here the window sections. There are several window sections that you have to put in yourself, and these just did not fit right. These were not the right size. So all of these sections here, these sections were too small. I had to go ahead and, first of all, they didn't come out far enough. So I had to sort of trim the edges where there's a tab that goes onto a tab back here, just sort of presses together and as a just sort of a placeholder and a place to cement. Those tabs were too thick, and so the window was offset inside slightly. And I know that's not the way it looks, not the way it's supposed to look. So I went ahead and did a little bit of filing to make sure these came out more. And then at the same time, these window sections were just a little too small. There was a very visible gap. So what I did was I would either center them or move them to the right or to the left, and I used sprue glue to fill in the gap. So after I did that, after I sanded, see if we get a good shot here. Sorry about my lighting. It doesn't look too bad. Okay, it looks okay. It's you still see it, but at least it's smooth and rounded. And you know, for this first round, first time I've actually done a Enterprise, not too bad. Figured I'd do this one before I did the standard 1701, but I'm liking this one too. You know, it's pretty neat. I make use of old paper towel centers to put through to help me hold the nacelles so I can paint them. What else? That's about it. It comes with a really big base, which is nice, display stand, big heavy one. And here's the top of the bridge section. This section, I don't know if I mentioned, needs to be painted, decaled, and then this top section goes on top of this, and then this is the tiny shuttle. Now that goes on to my thank you to round 2. I went on the website because basically this shuttle for some reason did not have the top 2 sections. Let's see here. These 2 top sections were missing. Don't ask me why. So I went onto the website, round 2's website, and I gave them the name and number of the model, a copy of my receipt, and within 2 weeks, they sent me replacement parts. So thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. I mean, I was willing to, you know, not have a little tiny shuttle saying, well, okay, whatever, I can still at least have the Enterprise, but thank you so much. That's pretty awesome. That is really awesome. So Okay, so the most difficult part of this is going to be, I guess, masking to paint a few different colors on here, and all the massive decaling. NCC-1701A in a circular area. That's going to be fun. So far, it used to be painting was my big challenge. Now I'm getting used to painting. Now decaling is becoming my big challenge. So hopefully I'll be able to make it through okay. So I will keep you up to date once I start finishing it. Oh, and one last thing. I need your help. Can anyone please tell me, this particular one is supposed to be painted in pearl white, not insignia white, not gloss white, not off-white, not ivory white, pearl. Can anyone please in the comments tell me what paint you ordered? Because the only pearl paint I've been able to find is a spray can Tamiya. I use Tamiya and I use Vallejo. So somebody please give me an alternative for pearl, or even how to mix two colors to make pearl. Alright, look forward to hearing the comments. Until next time.